Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much taurine you might consider taking. Taurine is an amino acid naturally present in your body, playing a role in several vital functions. Most individuals obtain sufficient amounts through their regular diet, especially from animal products. However, some people choose to supplement for various reasons. We'll explore common dosages and important considerations next. When considering taurine supplementation, typical daily doses often range from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams. For some specific applications, higher amounts, up to 3,000 milligrams per day, are generally considered safe. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs and health status. Taurine offers several potential benefits that make it a popular supplement. It's often used to support athletic performance and aid in post-exercise recovery, helping your body bounce back faster. Additionally, taurine may play a role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and has shown promise in supporting overall cardiovascular health. These diverse benefits highlight its importance. Taurine is generally well tolerated by most people, with very few reported side effects. At extremely high doses, some individuals might experience mild digestive upset, but this is uncommon. Always adhere to recommended dosages and listen to your body. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals we've found for you. It's a great way to enhance your home and stay connected, so don't miss out on those savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.